and watch my house sway from left to right.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Ready? My belly I grumble out kind of something.
I can see the guy with my cat back.
Oh my god.
Ready?
We're seeing the God in the bathroom right now.
Ready?
Hand movement important.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. May His favor be upon. Oh, oh shit.
Oh, it's still recording.
Well, I know when me look, me see Momo body cover the baby. No, sir. Momo cover like her favorite blanket. No, Momo. I say you love Ivy.
This is Ivy.
Please, Momo said not today.
This is Ivy. This is Momo.
Yeah. Real footage. This was how it did stay.
This was Momo.
Yeah, man. Our whole body cover.
Not now drop on my baby.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And then literally, like, our literal instinct was, where is the baby? Because
Yeah.
it's the only person who, quote unquote, can't help themselves.
Yeah.
Yo.
We took off to find the
sick.
baby.
Anyway, we have to go pick up the kids.
Yeah.
Because their protocol is that once an earthquake is of a specific magnitude, they want you to pick up the children because of aftershocks, and you want your children with you.
Makes sense for true. All right.
Yeah, let's go. Actually, wait, you and Gio want to go? You don't want to leave none away. Gio, come with us.
Yeah,
come, Momo, you too. We're all going. Come, Apollo. You see Apollo is with us too? Apollo is like, Pepper don't visit
This
Pepper
has
is
stressed
like,
me out.
Pepper is like regular thing. This is Apollo's first earthquake.
Apollo say,
So
yo,
he's not sure what's
this
happening.
has stressed me.
How did you get around here, eh, boy? Doc, you alright?
You alright? You still a shake at last?
What?
Daddy, I hope there's not an aftershock. What broke? Daddy, what broke?
Yeah, put your bag.
Daddy, what broke?
Hey, Ozzy.
Thank you, Mom. In the back for me?
It's open, yeah.
Mommy, it was scary. Mommy, I cried.
I want to hear all about it. I bet you cried. I almost cried.
No, it was so scary.
It was literally.
Mom,
So I was your age the last time there was a big earthquake like that.
Mom,
and I was in school.
I cried then Auntie John tried to call her mom at home.
Okay. Now Atlas, what about you? What's your part of the story?
Alright, so like when we were in class, right? I was about to take a bite of my chicken. And as soon as I was about to put it in my mouth, shaking, and I had to go under, and then I have to go under, and like next to the table, right?
Yes.
Like,
yes. Good thing you guys were under your desk like they teach you to do.
Wow.
Excellent. Now what about you?
First when it started to shake, we thought it was grade 6 jumping up and down, because they always like jump up and down. Yeah. And mom, look. You see there?
Okay,
Look, that's the part of the plane.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes, that's true.
Yes.
Table. That's true. Like, and when I was coming down the stairs, and then the arm was found. It was good. I was holding on to the handle, right? I was like,
Boom. Jesus.
So, you feel at Jackson?
huh?
What? You feel?
And then I run upstairs. Because at first my class thought the class beside us was jumping up and down, right? But then it started to get really bad, and things in our class were shaking and the lights were flickering. So we ran, and you know our class is held up by 2 pillars, you know. 2. So if the pillars break, if they break, we'll all drop down. So we
Down at the supermarket, the thing them off of the shelf, they're cleaning up going on down there. So you know me have to go check on my place, make sure everybody alright. So
May I tell you?
let's go and Fontana to my after I done call and find out what's what.
Big crowd draw outside.
Yeah, they had to close temporarily.
Cha.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go. Look here, my hand.
When Tami took off like a thief in the
whole of
night.
this swell up.
Tami didn't even know how it reach her. Tami I run for her baby. Cha.
Thank God the baby was with our second mother. She called security for hold the baby.
Ozzy, what you say? You forgot to give
forgot to give me a kiss and a hug.
That's
I'm
so
right
sweet.
here. Don't worry, I'll be right back. Okay? So
Mama, I want you to stay
I
here.
know. I want to stay too, but I have so much that I have to get done before we leave. Okay? So I'll be right back. I love you.
Mama, but the earthquake comes.
I know. It won't come again. It's gone now. Okay? I love you.
Last time there was an earthquake at school.
It's okay. Don't worry. You're safe now. Yes, love.
Just stay.
Say again? I'm gonna tell you the truth. Today feels like such a shake-up, for lack of a better term. But I feel like I don't even know what's happening. Mommy said that she had to stop reading the comments on Instagram because she was laughing so hard. She says, I literally choked. I hope my neighbors didn't hear me. Wayne, you take the cake.
Can a man ever walk to the people and laugh and I said, no, Wayne.
For
Father
the
God
record,
must understand and see with
that
you.
one like a bad word where you cuss.
Oh my goodness.
And for
man.
the record, I didn't curse the bad word. Okay? Everybody thinks I did too.
So,
I said, oh my
and me alone
God.
have to repent.
Wait, everybody know I curse like a sailor. Well, you guys don't know. But in my life off the vlog, is a vlog teach me how to not curse. I used to cuss like a sailor. Yeah.
No, you know what them say now? When trouble take you, picnic shot fit you. Me never plan fit, it never scripted. When I
It
feel the earth
was-
start shake underneath me, man.
Since that earthquake, which was a 5.7, we've had a follow-up.
Oh yes, we just had
which
one
was
little one.
4.3.
We just, you want to see me in a one place, sit down, you know, and me there and animal get set, you know, cause one more second of shaking and me gone, you know. And that's true, you did there and me no want to shame and make it
Don't
look
worry
like
for
say.
shame. We'll forget out. That
Okay,
is
man.
it. All that to say, I don't even know where we're reaching the vlog or what has happened so far. But yeah, we are literally now heading back home. We had a birthday lunch to go to, and so we did that. We had to push it back, all kind of things. So we're heading back home. But
We just met a wonderful lady.
oh yes,
I think we should mention
oh my
that.
gosh, Auntie V. Oh my gosh, yes, Auntie V. I don't want to say your full name to protect, you know, you. But Auntie V just shared a story with us that she was, you know, not doing well health-wise. And she said her daughter is who introduced her to the vlog. And she said, listen, I sat with that vlog morning and night. I watched it every day. And
She literally said this. She said this. She said the vlog was her medication,
yes.
meditation and inspiration.
And she said to her, she shared to her, she said, I don't want to tell you because it's going to sound like I'm embellishing. She says, but I just went to the doctors again and they're all folding their arms and saying you're the healthiest sick person we've ever seen because all of her tests just came back completely different. No, I don't want to claim that we had anything to do with that apart from she said that it was a part of her healing journey, just a part of it, to help her to put herself in a good place. I don't know, but it felt so nice to hear that story from her and always to hear these stories from you guys. And you know, we're not sharing it because we feel like I said, like, you know, it's just so nice of her to think that we are a part of her healing journey. And I really really appreciate that.
The main thing is that she associates lifting her spirit with just interacting with the vlog and seeing the boys, seeing us and laughing and just,
so sweet.
you know, coming along
She said me
with
know
us.
everything, my boy.
Yeah.
She said me know everything. She said every trouble we have, every stress, me know. Me know. I said,
that
oh,
was
Auntie V,
hilarious.
that you made our day. And honestly, you lifted our spirits today. So God bless you and we love you and thank you.
Yeah,
and thanks to
man.
everybody who always has these incredible stories for us. And you know, we met a lot of incredible people at the pink run that happened on Sunday, and I did not get a chance to put it in the Monday vlog, and so I'm going to put it in this vlog for you. But it was such a joyful experience, and I'm so glad that we got an opportunity to be a part of it again. Always and forever big up to our Toyota Jamaica family who, you know, just show up and show out. I think we had the biggest team this year. I think I said that in our thing, but definitely check it out. I'm gonna put that video here and then we'll catch back up later. All right, guys, so it is the morning of the pink run and we are so excited. Today, of course, we are Team Toyota. Woo!
Wake up when not even sun out and
Yeah.
night when I wake up people.
We're heading there now to get it started. I don't know if you guys remember when we did this last year. I was actually trying to think back on last year and if everybody had on masks. I can't remember, but this is like our first real year back. And so I'm looking forward to it. And might I add, we're a little bit fitter than we were last year.
I will tell you a tune, I look forward to it
Yeah,
now.
so it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go get it done and we should be back right as the kids are waking up. So we'll see you there.
We're back home. Jax, what's up? How was your party?
Good.
Good stuff.
What time did you come home last night, Jackson? Tell everybody.
11:30 about.
No, you came home at about 10:30.
No, I can't.
Yeah, no, facts. No, I'm telling you. I'm not asking you.
No.
I'm
I'll tell
not
you the time.
asking.
I'm going to tell you the time.
11. No, I think to 11.
To 11, then at 10:30 that.
No.
No, I think it was like. Sure, it was 10.
10:30. She
No,
can tell you
It
exactly. She's gonna tell you exactly the time now.
It was 11:15. Yeah.
11:15. She let them call. A lie.
You bleached last night, man.
Hi, Evelyn. Hi. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Thank you. Oh, how cute is she? How cute is she? What's it? What's it? What's it?
Are you okay? Don't like the taste?
Coconut water.
Coconut water. It's not water.
Coconut water don't taste good.
Oh, it does.
1 out of coconuts.
Yeah, look at your sweet girl. Will you give her hug-ups?
Where you gone?
Baby, come here.
All right, so we are here at the barbershop now. Everybody's gonna get a haircut today, so everybody can get right. You know what I'm saying? And mommy, thank you for coming along. Cause
Even so, they really didn't. You know,
Dad, come on, dear.
come here today because I'm tired from yesterday.
I'm tired too.
bro, we were up at 5 a.m. and we went and did a 5K walk.
What is a 5K walk?
5 kilometers. And that's long, bro.
Alright, come boys, let's go.
that you made the house flood and on fire.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy,
Huh?
I have some ice cream for you.
I love ice cream.
Made out of octopus and dragon and fish and coyotes and foxes.
Grandma is giving us her recount of today. So you were where?
On the lawn, I went to rake up leaves on my front lawn. So I was outside raking up and felt the earth moving. God. And a little noise. And I watched my house sway from left to right. I kid you not.
Wow, that's what my dad said too.
And I was so frightened.
Yes.
In that split second. I'm
That's
going
what
to
did you
decide,
do?
What do I do?
Yeah.
Stay out here and everything come down on me? Or do I go back to the house?
And it come down on you there, so?
Exactly. Where was the best place?
So you ran back inside.
Went back inside.
Yeah, that's
and then
fine.
started to think about a possible aftershock.
Right. Which did happen.
But not right away.
No.
In fact, all went. So while I'm there, you're trying to call all you guys.
Yes.
to say,
And we couldn't get through.
No.
So we couldn't get through to anybody. Nobody could get through to us. It was so annoying and scary.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
No, I was so frightened.
Well, you know, our number one thing was where was the baby? The boys were at school. So we were here and our number one thing was where's Ivy? And
You were in the house?
yes, the stress of trying to get to her
Yes, no.
took me out.
No,
Yeah.
was
It was frightening. Absolutely frightening.
so frightening.
It was not a small earthquake. It was a 5.7. That's not small.
The truth, based on the last one, which
Yes.
is like 4 points. something,
Yes.
It must have been over 6.
Right.
In
It
my
was
mind-
close. It was close
In
though.
my mind, I was
Yeah.
saying, this must be a 6
Yeah.
plus
Yeah.
earthquake. You know?
Ivy, you lived through another earthquake, man. It's frightening stuff. And you know what else is so true? You do not know what you're going to do when it happens. You can do all of the drills in the world.
I
Yeah.
was confused at that
Yes,
juncture.
yes.
I did not know
Yes.
whether I stay outside
Yes.
or go back inside.
Yes. Agreed.
And either way, you could be
In
faced
trouble.
with some danger.
Absolutely.
You know what
We
I mean?
headed straight to the garden. So as soon as we got
You
everybody,
actually went outside?
we went outside, and outside was literally a buzz. We saw, because you know there's construction going all over, and we saw men on rooftops talking. The whole neighborhood was a buzz. Scary.
And of course, on my investigation afterwards, I came back outside, my concrete bench is in two. One of the two benches. So I mean, it was a powerful shake.
Yeah, I'm not.
That was in two
Trust me,
pieces.
I feel shook. Yeah. You to mommy. Oh,
She
come.
calling grandma, you know.
I heard that she said grandma. You know how to say grandma? And she said Mama Claire too.
I had to come and see you guys. Let me see my grandbaby.
Yes, put your eyes on everybody, right? And Wayne and Gio are gone to football, so
yeah.
you'll have to wait a little.
Hey, alright guys, we just come back in from football. You know, Tami always asks what happened at football. Gio, they're gonna make you talk and tell them what going on.
How much game will we win in a row?
How much game we win in a row? I think
4.
5.
5.
I record them so, bro.
I give it this time.
No, just tell them about the goal, no?
Him give them the Woolmans winner celebration, so you can know what kind of goal
No,
he
man,
score.
just tell them about the goal, no, man. The man them say me get goal of the year, man. And the year they ever done yet.
Give them an Ibrahimovic. What's that?
Give them it, no?
Top can.
Heel back. Where you ever see that? Heel
Crucial
back.
equalizer.
Crucial equalizer in the final minute. Eh? No limit.
They have not lost the
The
touch.
earthquake shake me up. You know, we were talking up at the field and where I say it's a matter of seconds, you know. Because if it was 15 seconds longer, 10 seconds longer, it's just the more destruction. And that's the key thing with earthquakes. It's not necessarily the intensity, but the length of time them are shake things.
So you think it was second?
It was seconds. It was seconds. It was 8 to 10 seconds.
Was seconds. It could have been a minute long, but what we felt of it was.
Yeah. Because people will feel it different, depending on where they are.
I can spoke to to Alex. Alex was like, it was proper for him because he was at work and it was
That's it.
serious.
Well, yeah, football
He was
with
pretty
you.
shook up, but he's good.
Yes, Bookie. Wipe those tears. Why are you crying?
Because him want
Why are you crying?
porridge. Come.
What's it? Young porridge have a marriage.
It is like that.
She's like,